Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable comments notifications for your published pins on Pinterest. This feature is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and keep track of the conversations happening around your content. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the steps are quite similar. Once you're in the app, look for the Saved tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and then click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. This will take you to your profile where all your pins are displayed. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Notifications section. Look for a gear icon or a settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of your profile page. Once you tap on that, scroll down until you find Notifications. This section is crucial because it allows you to customize how you receive updates about your pins. Now, under the Notifications menu, locate the category labeled Pins you published. Here, you'll see an option for comments. Click on it to access the settings for comment notifications. This is where you can manage how and when you receive alerts about comments made on your pins. To enable push notifications for comments, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This means that every time someone leaves a comment on one of your published pins, you'll receive a notification directly on your device. It's a great way to stay connected with your audience and respond promptly to their feedback. Finally, make sure to save any changes if prompted. You're all set. With these notifications enabled, you can enhance your interaction with followers and create a more engaging experience on Pinterest. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable comments notifications for your published pins on Pinterest. Happy pinning!